Oh god, no, I'm in my underwear, dude.
I won't leave until I'm satisfied. For the last 2 days, we've spent a total of like 14 or 15 hours pulling sheetrock and disgusting moldy stuff out of houses. Today I'm taking a break day. Tomorrow we're gonna hit it hard again, but today we're gonna take a break. And by take a break, I mean work out. So we're going to rock climb with Nick.
Oh god, no, I'm in my underwear, dude. What's your
Jay.
problem? Freaking gotten to that part yet? Have you gotten to where? Have you got? You're stupid. He has,
Put some clothes on, dude. You're disgusting.
Have you gotten to where like?
Put some clothes on. Pickle Rick!
Pickle Rick!
I'm making coffee.
Boom! Booyah! Yes!
I can guarantee you one thing that is always in the pantry. All this stuff doesn't matter. That's what matters.
Pickle Rick!
It's green.
So what'd you do today?
Went and worked with some people that got affected by the storm.
Cool. Who was it?
Her name is Maria.
You know, let's make it known real quick. My dad's job is literally to entertain people.
And obviously, I'm not working. I'm not working
He's
right
not
now.
working right now. He wants to go take a nap. He made that very clear when I asked him to come.
What have you been doing today?
I edited some video.
Oh, yeah?
And I sat around and watched TV.
It's a good thing.
It was
You've
well
been-
deserved.
I know. You've been working hard. Flood relief. In fact, you made a video day before yesterday. I think it went viral.
It got like 4 views.
Everything's relative.
Everything's relative. Love is a social construct. Scala and Trinity are our kids now.
Not yet, but very close. We're very close to starting the adoption process.
When can they be in the vlog?
They can be pictured in the vlog. Maybe now, I don't know. I'd have to ask the state. I don't know what the rule is.
They're cute. I'll
They're-
put them as a thumbnail and they'll get more views. We adopted them so we'd get more views.
Is this vlog over?
It probably should be. Thanks.
Good luck with this.
Can I be in the vlog?
No.
Look, I'll do my edgy hair and I'll be in the vlog.
So we gotta be there around 3:30.
3:30 we were meeting.
Nick.
Oh, sweet. Nick's a beast. You know what rhymes with Nick?
Pickle Rick!
Pickle Rick!
Pickle Rick!
Mama, just killed me.
I'm scared, bro.
Nailed it.
Rip in the chat.
We got a flat tire. Carter's getting the spare out, and we're gonna get it fixed. Hopefully. Yeah. Did you fix it?
It's not working.
Okay, let me try. I did that.
Well, still changing the tire.
Casen came to meet us because she lives like 2 minutes away.
It's like 4:30.
I'll be there at 3:30.
Woo!
And I'm changing this tire. There we go.
There's the tire. Rip tire. Gotta tighten them real good now.
This is the Texas heat.
Okay, so we have
It is probably over 100 outside right now. Do you think?
No,
It's like 95.
95? That's still though, if you live in, I know I have a lot of fans in New York.
No, you don't.
If you live in New York,
Watch out.
that's hot.
Need to
Oh my
get a
Jesus
full-price
Lord.
tire,
Can you
you
tell I'm tired? Hard work, strong work. We out here.
Never say that.
Yeah.
Alright. Like and subscribe.
If you undo this, it's like hydrogen hydraulic press.
Because
That's
you
what
know
it
what
is.
that means.
I do, Maddie. Holy frick.
Well, the car's down.
Woo!
Like and
Told you.
subscribe.
Maddie. Holy.
You ever make a decision while driving and then immediately after making that decision realize you shouldn't have made that decision?
Well, I don't drive, but I mean, sometimes when I roast mom.
So we just made it to Inspire and we're only 11 minutes late. So that's good. Nick just fell, so we're gonna go console him. He literally fell until he hit the ground.
It's okay.
Nick, it's okay, dude. Nick, it's okay, dude.
They called me a failure.
It's
They call
okay.
you Pickle Nick, actually.
The guy was trying
Hey,
to
it's
explain
okay.
it to me, and then the other guy's just like, nah, he sucks. Just because he sucks.
Hey, Carter, get Matt. Do you want to be in my video? A vlog?
Exotic time.
You want all the ladies to
Give
see
me from
you?
this side.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Good lord. Holy cow. Oh
Oh
Come on.
my
You
god.
can do it. You can do it.
What?
Yeah! Oh! Wait, did she get that one? No, that was my move. Right hand move. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dang it! One person starts off like with a random move, like going from one hold to the next hold, and then the next person in line has to do that same move. So like they go from the same hold to the next hold. Feet don't matter, you can use any feet. So they go from that hold to that hold, and then they can do their own move, whatever hold they want to go to with their hands. And so if you fall on one of the moves, you're out.
Yeah.
Hey, but show me like the tear in them. I want to see.
Oh, okay, yeah, I got you on this one.
It's freaking insane, dude.
So, yeah, you know, easy on, easy off access. And then I have this one breathes really good, so, you know, I can have my feet, you know, just stick some things in there. And then
insane,
toe hole, you know, just.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, yeah, that's a good hit right there.
Testosterone. Go.
Oh, the gym is closed.
No. I won't leave until I'm satisfied. All right, I worked on my muscle up though. Ready?
Dude, no, we're trying to go get pizza. Gavin, out.
Overnight in the climbing gym.
Casen can fly.
Now forward roll.
Oh heck no. I want to do the campus board.
You gotta do 2 4 6s.
Apparently it's closing time or whatever that is, and so we have to go. Don't start singing.
I'm not. Where the heck is my Gregory?
Bye. We're going home now. GG. Wait, come here. Come tell everyone. It's so dark. You gotta come over here.
Come tell the camera, Skylar.
Say-
Tell the camera night night.
Night night.